Guys, I'm back with another video. In this video we will discuss few text function in DAX which are very important if you are playing with text column in a Power BI, or you have to find something related to text. Okay, so these functions are uh, like left function, len, mid, replace, right function, and some other function as well, which we will discuss going forward in some other videos. So if you are here for the first time, so don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. Okay, so understand with proper definition, and later we will jump to Power BI. So left function is, that syntax is left text and the number of character, like how many character you want from left and right. And similar to left we have right function as well. Okay, so what right function does is it gives the number of character from the right hand side. Okay, and this len function, what it does is it gives the return the number of character in a text string. Okay, nothing but the length of a string. Okay, and what mid function does is it's give like the number of character or number of or the string from in between of a text. Okay, for example, let's say from second position to fifth position. That is why the syntax is like mid text. For example, if I say here anything, okay, then a start number, so the starting position and the like till what position you want. Okay, and the replace, what the replace does is it's the replace, it basically it replace. Okay, now let's jump to Power BI and see all the functions one by one. So first function is left function. Okay, so here I have taken one example. Okay, so I'll create one new column. So the new column name will be, let's say product code left. Okay, product code, because we are dealing with left function, so product code left. So the syntax is left of C text. What text is basically product table in product code. How many character you want? I want, like, let's say 3 character from left hand. See, XYZ is coming because the code starting index is 1, 2 and then 3. That is the reason XYZ is coming. Okay, and now next function is len function. So what len function does is it gives the proper length. Okay, so product code I'll say len. So what it will give is it give the length. See, length is 6 for all the rows of product code. Okay, so the next is mid function. So let's understand with the example. So what mid function does is, let's see, text. Which text basically do you want? I want product table in product code. Okay, a starting position from where you want to start. I want to start, let's say, from second position. And how many character you want? Let's say I want till fourth character. See, the output is YZ12. How it is coming? It is starting from second position. Okay, so second character. So second character is nothing but Y here, like, and it will go till fourth, from second to fourth. So second is Y. Okay, but here will be one position. Why? Because the new text is YZ12. So second, here second the position is 1. So 1 is Y, Z is 2, 1 is 3 and 2 is 4. That is the reason it's giving YZ12. If I say, let's say from 3 to 5, I'll say, let's say 4. So what it will be give it will start from index 3. Okay, and from there it will goes to total 4 character. I hope you understand. Still, if you have any doubt, please comment your doubt. Okay, then is replace function. So I'll say product code is replace. Okay, so here replace old text is nothing but this is the column which you want to replace. Okay, a starting position from where you want to start. I'll say I want to start from index 1. Okay, how many character? Number of character basically I want, say, let's 3. New text, what you want to update, the new text what you want to replace. Let's say I want to update with, let's say, ABC. So what it will does is XYZ will be replaced by ABC. Okay, see, XYZ is updated by ABC and all those. Because why? Because it is starting from first to third. Okay, whatever will be there in between 1 2 3, okay, it will be replaced by ABC. I hope this is clear. And the last function for the day is write function. So what does it does is it's works similar to left, but it from right hand. Okay, right. So let's say write of what? Product code. Okay, product code. And how many character you want? I want, let's say 3. So what it will give you? It will count from the right hand side and 1 2 3. So the output will be 1 2 3. See, 4 5 6. If I want to, let's say I want 4 character, so the output will be from the right hand side. Okay, so the index will be 3 will be here 1, okay, 2 will be index 2, 1 will be index 3, and Z will be index 4. So it will count from the right hand side. I hope this is clear. Still, if you have any doubt, okay, please comment your doubt into the comment section, and going forward we will discuss more text function or more important DAX function which are important for interview perspective. Okay, so till then, be with us, be with me, and subscribe if you have not.